guys about to wrestle in a bowl. Oh, that was my arm hitting the closet because Dobby was climbing up me. Do you like hanging out in that little bowl? He's so cute. Got those little white whiskers. He's the only one that likes chin scratches. So far. You discovered them early, huh? Yeah, they don't know what they're missing. You're so cute. You keep getting better, okay? We had anemia, for anybody who hasn't been on the channel before. And we had to give him a blood transfusion. And his numbers actually stayed up today, so we're hoping that it's nothing too serious. But cautiously hopeful. You're so cute. Need the little teeny whiskers. I don't know if you can see those. They're so funny. You've got the weirdest little chin whiskers. And he's got some white hairs in his ears. And some on his chin. And on his chest. It's getting bigger and darker. Birdie and Dobby over there running around like crazies. Here comes Dobby. Dobby's eye, we can actually see, which is shocking because his eye was stuck shut and we thought for sure it had ruptured, but now we can see his eye. So we just have some good news today. You're being cute. Uh-oh, Birdie's gonna get you. He's so gentle. Do you know to be gentle with Archie? That's interesting. Because I've seen Birdie play pretty hard. Birdie. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. Cleaning himself. Growing up, Archie. You know you're super, super tiny. Mama sleeping. Pinky sleeping. Dobby going crazy. And Birdie trying to climb me. Alright, we'll see you guys later.